Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing fine. Well, today I'm gonna show you how to change MacBook Pro late 2013 15-inch batteries. Yes, and my name is Rahil, and this is my son Ryan. He will be assisting us. Bottom cover, I just removed it, and please put it so you can see. Okay, so these are the batteries. These are stripped, and right now these are swollen. If you see, if you can, I'm not sure you can clearly see or not. These are slightly swollen. If I keep using them, they will damage my machine, and they, they could catch a fire as well. Also, while removing the battery, you should be careful. Do not puncture these, otherwise these will catch fire. Okay, so let's remove this. By the way, let me tell you which battery I'm going to replace with. This is A1494. This battery is being used in MacBook Pro 2015 models, and this can be used for late MacBook Pro Retina late 2013 model as well. So I'm going to replace it with this one and with this one, and this is something I purchased it from the local market. So this is the battery connector, and this is the circuit of these batteries. So there are two screwdrivers holding them right here. If you can see, please make sure you do not damage anything when removing these screws. So this is how you will lift the power connector from the sides gently, and I just remove it. Now first you have to remove the power connector, then you have to unscrew the circuit. Make sure you don't damage anything. So gently, carefully, take your time. So here it is. This has been removed. Here's this solution that is not going to affect anything, and that will help you remove these batteries very carefully and very easily. The simple solution is you're gonna need cotton thread and IPA, isopropyl alcohol. I put that in a syringe, and I did not pour on the body of my machine, and I'm not sure it's going to damage anything or not. So what I did, I wet this thread with the soak this thread with the IPA and put it here, and this thread will do the job. All we gonna need is gently do this gently. Now wet it again. This is soaked with alcohol, IPA, isopropyl alcohol, not the drinking alcohol, by the way. So be careful. So we just left the 4 batteries out of 6, 4 battery cells. Let's try it out. There are residue, some gum, chip. So I'm going to clean this up using alcohol, IPA, and isopropyl alcohol, and some cloth. I had some cloth pieces. Let me find them. Here we have. By the way, my wife is the camera lady. She is holding camera and giving me hand for finding this cloth. So first of all, we are going to do these like this. it's not so difficult to replace the battery as it looks, but the thing is, you know, you should know how you are going to do this. So that is actually key, and be confident while doing this. We will remove this, and then we will use IPA to clean this up. IPA alcohol and a cleaning cloth. And put some alcohol over the cloth and then rub it here. And make sure don't use too much force, otherwise you will be damaging the screen of your machine. Yeah. So if my camera girl can show you how I cleaned it up. This is how it looks. Nice. That's clean. And now we're going to use this battery.
New battery.
Yes. Yes. It's a new battery, brand new. Level 2. Okay, so this is how it's going to look. Awesome. First of all, we at first place we are not going to remove and stick the battery with the machine. First of all, we are going to put it here like this, and we will test the battery whether is it working fine or not. Put it here like this. Okay, so I have completed my test using this new battery. If we can show you, I actually adjusted the connector wire as per its shape and available space, and then I turned it on, tested the battery by charging it, and now everything looks fine. Now I am going to install it permanent. This. Okay, I think we have installed it perfectly. I did not push it yet, so I am just making sure that everything is in place. Let's remove this. Voila! So the new battery pack has been installed successfully. This is how you will install the MacBook Pro late 2013 batteries. Goodbye.